We're in the red. Felt good. You are close enough. Thank you. Did you get off my ass, dude? Come on. I got in the right, so you can go by me, but no, you wouldn't. Now you're at my ass again. Thanks a lot. You could have been so far ahead now. At least 3 cars, but nope. I intentionally got behind this slow-moving truck. But nope, you'd be at my ass. Thanks a lot. Yeah, you have no concept of space, do you? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Call my next dive. Thank you. What was that for? Thanks, Bim. Hello, 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 hello. You're in that. Cut off. Turd. Funky braking for. Thank you. This imbecile Equinox, whatever Nox. What the fuck? I'll be out of your way in a second, okay? There's cars up here. You can back off, please. Thank you. I was getting out of your fucking... Oh, they're raging. Okay. You gonna throw that out the window or something? Looks like he had a weapon ready. In the form of a Arizona iced tea can. That was a cutoff. Masshole. Close enough? Do we have a problem? Mr. Hipster douchebag? Your lane ended, not mine. Back to Rhode Island. Don't cut me. Hey! Cut him off instead. Dude, don't look at it. Don't ride up my ass all the way down to the red light, okay? Thank you. 35 and a 25 is plenty fast. Back up, kid. Thank you. Close enough, shitbag. Thank you. How many fucking clips do I have to save of you? Good, go away. Oh, it's back. Yay. Now fuck the fuck off. Up. Uh-oh. 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 It's probably a Jeep. Yep, it's the Jeep. Slow down, move over. Haha. Oh shit, I forgot. Got him. Hello, flying cameroid. Who are you gonna cut off? Because that's what cameroids do. There we go. That was coming. Inside. Illegal U-turn. Nissan Nitwit.